Hey food lovers and adventure seekers, welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, your ultimate source for exploring the most exciting and unique foods from all around the world. If you're passionate about experiencing new flavors, diving deep into different cultures, and discovering the heart of every celebration through food, then you're in the right place. Subscribe and join us on this exciting culinary journey. The holiday season is the perfect time to explore iconic foods that reflect the traditions, values, and stories behind the world's most celebrated occasions. Whether it's Christmas, Lunar New Year, Eid, or Diwali, each holiday brings with it a feast of flavors that celebrate family, togetherness, and gratitude. These foods are more than just meals. They carry the soul of the celebrations. In today's episode, we're diving into the best traditional holiday foods from around the globe. From hearty stews to delicate sweets, these dishes are not to be missed if you want to experience the full flavor of the holidays. Let's explore some of the most iconic holiday foods that have stood the test of time. 1. Christmas in the United Kingdom, a traditional British feast. In the United Kingdom, Christmas is celebrated with much fanfare, and the Christmas feast is at the heart of the holiday festivities. The meal on Christmas Day brings families together to enjoy hearty, traditional dishes that have been enjoyed for generations. Known for its rich history and cultural significance, British Christmas food is comforting and full of festive cheer. Key dishes in a British Christmas dinner. Roast turkey. The centerpiece of the British Christmas table is the roast turkey, which is traditionally stuffed with a savory mixture of herbs, breadcrumbs, and sometimes sausage. It's roasted until golden brown and served with gravy, roast potatoes, and vegetables like Brussels sprouts and carrots. Christmas pudding. A beloved dessert. Christmas pudding is a steamed, dense cake made with dried fruits, spices, and suet. It's typically with brandy and served with brandy butter or custard. This iconic dish represents the richness of the season. Mince pies. These small individual pies are filled with mince meat, a mixture of dried fruits, spices, and sometimes suet, which is sweet yet tangy. Mince pies are often enjoyed with a cup of tea or mulled wine. Roast potatoes. British Christmas dinner wouldn't be complete without roast potatoes. Crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside, they're roasted in the flavorful drippings of the turkey, making them extra delicious. Cultural significance. The British Christmas meal is a time for togetherness and family unity. It reflects the rich culinary traditions of the United Kingdom. From roasting meat to indulging in sweet desserts, the meal embodies warmth, joy, and the spirit of Christmas. 2. Lunar New Year in South Korea, a celebration of abundance and luck. In South Korea, Lunar New Year, also known as Seollal, is one of the most important holidays. It marks the first day of the lunar calendar, and families gather to pay respects to their ancestors, enjoy festive foods, and wish for good luck and prosperity in the new year. Food is an essential part of Seollal, with many dishes symbolizing health, longevity, and fortune. Key dishes for Korean Lunar New Year. Taekook rice cake soup. Taekook is a traditional soup made with sliced rice cakes in a clear broth. The round rice cakes symbolize completeness and longevity, and eating the soup is believed to help add a year to your life. Chen Korean pancakes. These savory pancakes are made with a variety of fillings, including vegetables, meat, and seafood. They're fried until golden and crispy, providing a flavorful contrast to the lighter dishes. Galbi short ribs. Galbi marinated beef, short ribs, are often served during Korean celebrations. They're cooked to perfection and are a popular dish to accompany rice cakes, providing a rich and hearty contrast to the other foods. Kimchi. No Korean meal is complete without kimchi, a fermented dish made with cabbage, radishes, and spicy seasonings. Kimchi is both nutritious and flavorful, and its presence at the table is an essential part of the holiday meal. Cultural significance. Seollal is a time for family and renewal. The food symbolizes the wishes for health, wealth, and good fortune in the year ahead. It is a celebration of both the past and the future, bringing families together to honor ancestors while hoping for a prosperous year. 3. Diwali in India, a sweet and spicy celebration. Diwali, the Festival of Lights, is one of the most important holidays in India. It celebrates the triumph of good over evil, light over darkness, and knowledge over ignorance. During this holiday, people decorate their homes with lights, burst fireworks, and indulge in a variety of delicious foods that symbolize prosperity, happiness, and good fortune. The food is a key part of the celebration, with sweets being especially significant. Key dishes for Diwali. Samosas. These deep-fried pastries are filled with spiced potatoes, peas, and sometimes meat. They are crispy and savory, making them a popular snack during Diwali celebrations, often paired with mint chutney or tamarind chutney. Laddu. Laddu is a round sweet made from chickpea flour, ghee, and sugar. It's often flavored with cardamom and pistachios, and it's a symbol of good fortune during the Diwali season. Barfi, a rich fudge-like dessert made from condensed milk, sugar, and ghee. Barfi is often flavored with pistachios, rosewater, or coconut. It's a must-have treat during Diwali, enjoyed by families and shared with friends and neighbors. Chakli. Chakli is a savory, crispy snack made from rice flour and spices. It adds a salty contrast to the sweetness of Diwali treats, and is perfect for munching while enjoying the festivities. Cultural significance. Diwali food is all about celebration, good fortune, and unity. The sharing of sweets and snacks represents the spreading of joy and prosperity, bringing families and communities closer together. 4. Thanksgiving in the United States, a celebration of harvest and gratitude. Thanksgiving in the United States is one of the most iconic holidays, celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November. It's a time to gather with family, give thanks for the blessings of the year, and indulge in a traditional feast. The Thanksgiving meal is a reflection of the country's agricultural roots and its spirit of gratitude and togetherness. Key dishes in an American Thanksgiving feast. Roast turkey. The star of the Thanksgiving meal, roast turkey, is often stuffed with a savory bread stuffing made with herbs, vegetables, and meat. It's typically served with gravy and cranberry sauce, making it the centerpiece of the feast. Stuffing, dressing, a combination of bread, vegetables, and sometimes sausage. Stuffing or dressing is a beloved side dish. It's often cooked inside the turkey, allowing the flavors to absorb the turkey's drippings. Mashed potatoes, creamy, fluffy, and buttery. Mashed potatoes are a staple side dish during Thanksgiving. They're typically served with gravy and add a comforting, hearty element to the meal. Pumpkin pie, a quintessential Thanksgiving dessert. Pumpkin pie is made with a smooth, spiced pumpkin filling and is often served with a dollop of whipped cream. It's a symbol of autumn and harvest, making it the perfect end to a Thanksgiving feast. Cultural significance. Thanksgiving is a time for family reflection and gratitude. The food served represents the abundance of the harvest and the spirit of thankfulness, bringing people together to celebrate the good things in life. 5. Midsummer in Sweden, a celebration of summer's bounty. In Sweden, midsummer is one of the most anticipated holidays, celebrating the arrival of the summer solstice. It's a time for families and friends to gather outdoors, enjoy the long days, and indulge in food that showcases the best of summer's produce. The holiday feast is centered around freshness and simplicity. Key dishes for Swedish midsummer. Pickled herring, a classic Swedish dish. Pickled herring comes in various flavors, from mustard to dill. It's typically served with boiled new potatoes, sour cream, and fresh dill. Gravid lax cured salmon. Gravid lax is salmon that's been cured with salt, sugar, and dill. It's served with a mustard sauce and crisp bread, making it a light, flavorful dish for midsummer. Strawberry cake, jordgubbsturda. As Sweden's summer strawberries are in season during midsummer, this light cake, topped with whipped cream and fresh strawberries, is the perfect dessert. Cultural significance. Swedish midsummer is all about celebrating nature, freshness, and togetherness. The food reflects the abundance of the summer season and the joy of spending time with loved ones in the great outdoors. A world of flavors and traditions. Food is at the heart of every holiday celebration, connecting us to tradition, culture, and family. From the hearty roast turkey of Thanksgiving to the pickled herring of Swedish midsummer, these traditional dishes represent the joy, gratitude, and prosperity of the season. Each dish tells a story of cultural heritage, bringing people together and creating lasting memories. Which of these holiday dishes are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing food journeys on Global Eats Uncovered.